Do you think I fix lashes here? Oh yes, I do. This is the most natural lashes I've ever fixed. Very lightweight and it's super affordable also. This is me without lashes. To achieve this look, you need the lash glue, any kind. Tweezer is smooth tool and scissors. And of course your lashes, any one of your choice. Place a little glue on a flat surface. With your tweezer, then use it to apply at the inner corner of the lashes. Inner corner, just like so. Apply it on all your lashes that you need. I divided my lashes into 4 sections. Then use the smooth tool to raise up your eyelids like this. Before attaching the lashes, allow your glue to dry up a bit. Then apply underneath the lashes. There. Yeah, just like so. Yeah. At first, when I started, my eyes was teary. If you can see, I don't know if it's visible here, but it was teary. But as I progressed, it was no longer teary. So just apply underneath. You can use your hand to use the tweezer and your hand to adjust it as you wish. This is very easy to apply. It's not very difficult. It doesn't look difficult, and it's not difficult. Also, just do like so and apply all four. I started from the outer corner, then progress to the inner corner of my eyes. This is me arranging it properly. Things from here is very explanatory, so I'll leave you guys to enjoy the video. Returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for always tuning back in. You guys are the real deals, okay? And if you're a new subscriber or a new viewer, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy my content and would like to subscribe to my content. It will be a great deal if you do. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And also share with your besties to learn also. You don't want to hide this from them, do you? This is a game changer. It's very lightweight. What I like about this lashes is that it's very lightweight. I didn't even feel any weight on my lashes, like the way you feel when you have it on top. I think this is going to, from now on, this is going to be my go-to lashes. And it's very comfortable as long as you don't put it directly on your eye line, on the upper eye line. Just put it on your lashes. Make sure you don't put it on your eye line. I don't know how to. Hope you understand. Yes, that line that is up there you can use as your eyeliner. Don't put it there. When you put it there, you're going to feel uncomfortable. So make sure it's just directly under your lashes. Okay, it's super easy and it's very, very comfortable. Trust me, girl, you're going to love your new look. Yeah, if you try it. So please do it to feel free to share. Okay, guys. So and then with that, I'm out. Bye. Thanks for tuning in. Until the next video. Bye.